Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can integrate Directory Future to your app. Directory Future will let your app users get in touch with any of your branches, find directions, order food, book a table, or schedule an appointment. Let's see how it's done. Start creating app. On Creator Software, add Directory page into your app. If you want, you can rename Directory page with your business. If you want, you can directly add listings, but in this case, I will discuss advanced options before going further. You have the option to enable or disable keyword search. Keywords only search in directory listing, heading, summary, and description. Enable location-based search. Once enabled, the feature will allow your app users to filter listings available near to their current location. Allow app users to add listing. You can show or hide menu from directory page. Select the payment method through which app users can make payment when they add listings into your directory app. Just to inform you, it will be one-time payment. Once the payment is done, your app users can add as many listings as they want. Click on Add Listing and proceed to Dashboard. Click on Add Category, provide required information, and click on Create Category. If you want, you can create subcategory under category and add directory listings under subcategory. However, I am adding directory listing directly under category. Provide heading for your listing. Enter summary for your listing. Provide body content for your listing. If you want, you can add images, videos, audios, and PDFs. Provide basic information. Once done, click on Save. Listing has been successfully created. If you want, you can customize Future from configuration settings or change admin email ID. Under language settings, you will find all the default texts that are already being displayed on your app. If you update any language settings text from here, it will immediately start reflecting on your app. Under Coupons section, you can create coupons which you can link with your directory listing. For more details on how to connect coupons with directory listing, you can watch our video tutorial, How to Add Connect Coupons with Directory Listings. Under Loyalty Card section, you can create loyalty card which you can link with your directory listing. For more details on how to connect loyalty card with directory listing, you can watch our video tutorial, How to Add and Connect Loyalty Card with Directory Listings. Under Import Export section, you can upload or export directory listings in bulk through CSV or XLS file. Click on Claim Requests if you want to see all of the listings claimed by the users. That's it for now. Thank you for watching.